Two students are searching the internet today. Here comes the first one now. As he walks to the computer, he doesn't have a plan when searching the internet. He searches up cool Flash costumes. As he scours, he finds one he likes. So therefore, he goes and he clicks the buy button. It was a scam, and he is visibly upset. Here comes the other student now, but this time he has a plan. He first copies the link and pastes it into the BBB scam tracker to find out if it is a scam. He searches it and it is a scam, so therefore he goes to a more trusted website and does the same thing, not wanting to be fooled, and he searches it and it was not a scam. Don't fall for the trap. Go to bbb.org/scam tracker to be more secure.